But at First Alert Day tops your news tonight at 5. Good evening, everyone. I'm Sharon DeReek. The First Alert Day has been declared tonight through tomorrow due to incoming snow and then wind. Let's take a look outside now at our live sky cam where you can see we are getting blanketed with some more snow in the Quad Cities. There's Cedric Haynes joining us now with a look at our First Alert forecast and just how much of this can pile up, Cedric.
Well, Sharon, we're looking at several inches. In fact, most locations north of Highway 30 will likely see over 6 inches from this system, and even 3 to 6 inches are likely down as far south as I-80, including the QC Metro. So let's go to the radar right now. You can see we've got widespread snow showing up here from Muscatine, the Quad Cities, over towards Clinton and Savannah. At least that's what our radar is showing. But what I want to do is I want to take you inside the radar, show you a little special product we look at behind the scenes here. It's called Dual Pol. And what we can really tell by this is the radar can actually measure the type of precipitation that's falling. So what it's seeing is this kind of lighter precipitation that's falling, at least when the radar beam hits it. That's an indication of snow. So where you see this maroon shaded color, that's all wet snow that's falling there from Savannah over towards Anamosa and Iowa City down towards Muscatine. But notice as you get towards the Quad Cities and points to the south, right through the Quad Cities there, that's basically your delineation there between all snow, and we're seeing where we have some sleet and freezing rain mixing in with that snow as well, and that's from the Quad Cities and points to the south. So that's a little neat feature that we can watch as we go inside of the radar. But you can see the setup. Area of low pressure off to our west into Kansas, pulling up all that moisture out of the Gulf of Mexico, taking that moisture, putting it into the cold air mass we have in place, and that's why we're going to be seeing this winter storm continuing this evening. So let's walk you hour by hour with exact track you'll be able to see throughout this evening. Bursts of moderate to heavy snow along with some sleet and freezing rain will be possible. As you get towards midnight tonight, we'll see a little warmer air, so we can see more freezing rain and sleet. And then on the backside for Tuesday, we're going to have some snow around, but the winds are also going to be gusting up to 50 miles per hour at times, so that could create some blowing and drifting of the snow. So winter storm warnings in effect for I-80 and points to the north and west, with a winter weather advisory down to the south. Again, we're talking about the potential in the pink shaded areas of seeing accumulations of 3 to as much as 10 inches of snow. We'll have more on this system for you coming up in just a few moments.
All right, thank you, Cedric. Let's take a